to turn on hotspot on the Redmi A7 Pro, you have to open System Settings. Now, we are looking for more connectivity options where we can actually find Portable Hotspot. And right now, before you turn it on, you should actually set this up. So by clicking here, this is the first option. You can change the name of your hotspot. You can also change password. Security options, I will recommend you to go for the WPA3. And you can even hide name of your hotspot for some reason if you want. Click here to confirm. And you can also set one-time data limit. So after the hotspot will go over this limit, the hotspot will turn off automatically. Next, we can also find that option to turn off hotspot automatically when there are no devices connected. And that's basically if you want to get your hotspot to be enabled always, even when there's nothing connected, you have to turn that off. And here you can show you can show all devices that are connected. You can even limit the devices that can be connected. Like if you want to get like 2 devices connected, you have to do this here. Or you can see what devices are connected, and you can even add them to the block list to prevent some, connections. And click here to enable portable hotspot, and you can even quickly share a QR code to let someone scan if the password is super long.